Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now with the Samsung Galaxy S23 just days away, you're going to need a case. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at cases from Goospery, and this time we're looking at their TPU series that also includes credit card holders. So if you're getting one of these, you're definitely going to need one of these. Let's go and check them out. Now here we have several cases from Goospery that are what I would put in their TPU flexible category. And they have a couple features. So first of all, you can see that they have a really colorful lineup. So love the colors that you have right here. And then on this side you have these cases that actually have credit card holders, but they're all TPU based. So as we take a look at these, you're going to see very flexible. These are going to support wireless charging without any problem, with all the appropriate cutouts that you see right there. So everything's going to be really cool as far as that goes. Now these here are also TPU based, but what they have on the side here is the ability to have a credit card. So you'll notice here it has kind of like a fake card here that shows you that this can support up to 2 cards, right? So 2 cards, and all you have to do is push from here up, right? So once you have your card in, it's going to be a lot rigid. You push it up, and it's going to come out. You'll notice that we have a black one, we have a frosted version, a clear version, and then we have kind of like this this army green color. So they're all pretty cool looking. If we were to take our S23 Ultra and we were to put it in here, swipe this down, we get a lot of fingerprints. What you're looking at is this. Check it out. Really, really nice camera protection there, right? Everything's nicely protected. All your cutouts are nice. Has screen protection. The bumper here comes up. Each one of the edges come up nicely, and the sides are tapered. And we see that with most screen protectors nowadays. It's pretty much a similar style, but everything really looks really sharp. So if you're into this type of green, you could definitely get one of these. If you're wondering what it looks like in orange, this is what the orange one looks like. All right, same features, so it's going to be the same thing. And then for those of you who may be interested in pink, here's your pink variant. And there you go with the pink, right? Like that. Nilda is so far loving all 4 colors. So she says that she wants them all. And here's another one. All right, really nice white. Now for those of you who are looking for credit card options or ID options, you know, if you're, let's say for example, you badge in to get into your office at work, these are great options because you have your credit card or ID here, and then you're able to just take it out, right? You push this way, and then this will just come out like that. And then here you can see the protection you get. Great camera protection as well, so that's pretty sharp. You can see how that looks. And then you have obviously your screen protection. It has same screen protection. This right here comes up quite a bit. You can see where my nail goes in right there and disappears. So this is coming up on each side, and it is really grippy to hold. And then you have your cutouts, the appropriate cutouts there. So a lot of options when it comes to these. If you take a look at this one right here, you want to see what this looks like. That's what you're talking about. I like the frosted one. I think that looks pretty sharp. And then you have a army green version, and then you have this clear version. And this one has a different approach for the card. So put this together right here. It has these pockets, right, where things go in this way. And you can see, again, great camera protection, like you saw from the other one. And then all your holes line up. You know, pinhole mic, your speaker, your actually USB-C charger. You then have over here your S Pen, and then at the top your pinhole mic. So again, in the same type of screen protection. So you have these areas right here pop up quite a bit. So all of these are good choices. So guys, those were the cases from Goospery. See you in the next video.